friends, welcome to this session of Week Team Greater Noida on pollution and environment. Hello guys, today we'll be talking about on a topic which is very common but at the same time which is very important, which is environmental pollution. So you see, pollution is a term which even kids are aware of these days. It has become so common that almost everyone acknowledges the fact that pollution is rising continuously. The term pollution means the manifestation of unsolicited particles or foreign particles or substances in something. When we talk about pollution on earth, we talk about or refer to the contamination that is happening of the natural resources by various pollutants. All this is mainly caused by human activities which harm the environment in ways more than one. Therefore, an urgent need has arisen to tackle this issue. Straight away, this is to say pollution is damaging our earth severely, and we need to realize its effect and prevent this damage. Which we are not aware, and I guess now we need most of us to be aware about that. So what can be the effects of pollution? Pollution affects the quality of life more than one can imagine. It works in mysterious way, sometimes which cannot be seen by the naked eyes. However, this is very much present in the environment. For instances, you might not be able to see the natural gases present in the air, but they are still there. So you see which is carbon dioxide, which is present and we are not aware of it. Similarly, the pollutants which are messing up with the air and increasing the level of carbon dioxide, which is very toxic for human beings, as we all know. Increased level of carbon dioxide will lead to global warming, which is increasing day to day, I guess. And further, the water is polluted in the name of industrial development, religious practices, and more will cause a shortage of drinking water, without which human life is not possible. Moreover, the way waste is dumped on the land eventually ends up in the soil. So in that way, soil pollution is happening, water pollution, air pollution we all do by releasing toxic gases from the industries. So we need to reduce it, and we need to be more aware of this issue. As per the human beings, we all are still not aware. So yes, I would request all of us, including me, even knowingly or unknowingly, we all are polluting our environment. So thank you. This is the topic for today.